All right, 3, 3. We're going to do 12, 13, 14, 15. 12 says, we have this, and this. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we know that L and M are what we call parallel. Okay, so they have the little arrows on them. So that means that they're parallel. So L is parallel to M. We know that, that's given. Okay? They want you to prove, how would you prove that angle 3 is congruent to angle angle 7? Okay. 13. It is angle 4 is equal to 54 degrees. Okay. The measure of angle 8 is equal to 7x plus 5. And then they say that x is equal to 7. Okay, angle 14 is saying you got the measure of 2 is equal to 8x plus 4. And the measure of angle 6 is equal to 11x minus 41. And then it says that x is equal to 15. And then 15 is stating that the measure of angle 1 is equal to 3x plus 19. And the measure of angle 5 is equal to 4x plus 7. And it's stating that x is equal to 12. Okay, so we have to prove this in all of these. All right? Make sure we're recording and we got it. Let's do this. Number 12. Okay, 12 is stating that angle 3 is congruent to 7. Okay? So, what would we use to say that these are congruent? What are those angles? Are they alternating sides? Do they alternate across the transversal? Right? So do they go across both sides? Are they alternating? Are they alternating? People, wake up. Are they alternating? Do they go on both sides? No. It's not a hard question. Come on, wake up. First period. But I'm asking you very simple questions. They do not alternate. That means they are on the same side. Okay? Now, are they both interior? So here's a valid question. Are they both interior? Are they both... Oh, that's still close. Exterior? or is one interior and one's exterior? Okay? Not sure. Good. At least you're not sure. Interior, meaning in here. Right? So that means the angle is in here. Are they both in here? Are both angles in this orange area? Are 3 and 7 both inside here? No. It's really not hard. Okay? One's exterior, one's interior. What does that mean? So they're not same side interior and they're not same side exterior. So if we look at our notes, there's only one thing that has the same side, but one's inside and one's outside. Does anyone remember that one? It's the hardest one for you guys to remember. I warned you about that. Do anyone remember it? Starts with a C. Huh? Starts with a C. Naming these types of angles. They're not alternating, so it's not alternate interior. They're not alternate exterior, right? They're same side, but they're not same side interior because they both aren't inside. They're not same side exterior because they're not both outside. So they're the same side interior exterior, which the book calls what?
Corresponding.
Yes. That's it. That's all they're asking. Corresponding angles. That proves that these two lines are parallel. Because if these are congruent, then these are parallel. If these are parallel, then these are congruent. Because of corresponding angles. You follow? A little bit? Okay? You have to learn these angles. You have to learn corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, same side exterior. Remember, the same side ones, those are supplementary, right? Same side supplementary. Alternating or corresponding are all congruent. Okay? If you can remember that, alternating and corresponding are congruent. Same side are sub. Then you've got it. Okay? If they're congruent, then these are parallel. Alright, next. They're saying angle 4 and angle 8. Now, when you plug in a 7 here, you got 7 times 7, right? Plus 5. So that's 49 plus 5, which is 54, right? Are these equal? Are those equal? 54 equal to 54? Come on, people. Wake up. Yes, they're equal. I'm not going to ask you hard questions. This is not hard. If you just stay awake and pay attention, it's not hard. 54 equals 54. Yes. Okay. What does that mean? That means that 7, right, is congruent, or sorry, not 7. 4 is congruent to 8. Why? Why would 4 be congruent to 8? Think about it. Why is 4 congruent to 8? Are they both inside? Are they alternating? Are they alternating? Do they go from one side to the other? No? Okay. Are they both in here?
No.
Then what do we call it? If they're not both in here and they're not both out here, what are they called if they're on the same side? Come on, we just talked about it. Yes. This isn't hard. Okay? Corresponding. We can do this, people. That's all they're asking for. That's it. Okay? Not too bad? Next. They're telling you what this is. This is x is 15. What's 11 times 15? Okay? Well, there's a trick for 11. You guys know the trick? I'll teach you a little trick. What's 1 plus 5? 6. Then you put the 1 and the 5 here. 165. That's the trick for 11. Yay. Or you can just plug it in your calculator. Or you can say 10 times 15 plus 11. I don't care what you do. Okay? Or 10 times 15 plus 15. Alright, so, alright, now minus 41. What's 165 minus 41?
24. 124.
So 1 from that is 4, 4 from that is 20, so yeah, 124. Good. So, if I plug 15 in here, what's 8 times 15? That'd be 80 plus 40. What's 80 and 40? 120, right? Okay, plus 4. 124, right? Are they equal? Are those equal? 124 and 124. Yes, okay. What they're saying then is these are congruent. Why are they congruent? So now let's take a look. Let's erase this. Okay, let's just erase this. And let's talk about 2 and 6. 2 is here, and 6 is here. So why are those congruent? Are they alternating? Are they alternating? No. Are they on the same side? They're either alternating or on the same side. So if they're not alternating, then they must be on the same side. Does that make sense? Okay? Here and here. They're on the same side of the transversal. Okay? But are they both interior or are they both exterior? Or are they one of each?
One of each.
One of each. So what does that mean? That's it. That's it. That's all they're asking for. That's it. How are we doing so far? Chayton? Skylar? A little bit? Not at all? Little? Chica? Good. Sancha? Huh? Rolando?
What's up?
Where you at? Kind of getting it? A little bit? Not at all? Not at all? Okay. Getting it? Not getting it? A little bit? Good? Okay. Alright, this next one. We got to plug it in. What's 3 times 12? 36. Okay. And then what's 36 plus 19? So 46 plus 9. 45? Okay. Alright, then plug in 4 times 12. 48. And then plus 7. We have 55. Right?
Yes, 55.
This one's 55, right? Okay, cool. This is actually 55, right? So we go back and recheck our math. Okay, they're 55. 55 and 55, is that equal? Is that congruent, right? Okay. So now we're talking about 1 and 5. So let's erase this. Okay. Let's talk about 1 and 5. Are they alternating? No. Are they same side then? Yes. Is one inside and one outside? Yes. What do we call that?
Corresponding.
It's pretty simple. So these were all corresponding angles, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they did that. Usually, they give you something else to work with, but you know what? We'll just keep working. Okay?